We're back, Rejuvy Juice subscribers. Today we're going to be making a delicious weight loss drink, which will include pineapple, cucumbers, lemon, green apples, and honey if you prefer. And we're also going to do it with a watermelon to help you lose even more weight and water weight. So we're going to first start with our cucumber and pineapple and green apple. So we're adding spears. And you can vary from each fruit. It's not going down, you just plunge it. And keep working the ingredients until you fill up the container. The apples are going to help with the fiber to make you feel full and satiated. The bromelain from the pineapple is going to help you with digestion. And the cucumber aids in the reduction of fluid. So you have your delicious weight loss drink, and you're just going to pour it into your cup. And take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy.